Hello everyone. Hi Sagittarius. Welcome back to our channel. So this is special bonus reading for you. This is year ending message 2020 December year ending message. So what are the messages for you, especially in relationship, in career, whatever. So let's see your reading. What are the messages for you? First we see the oracle deck's message. Sagittarius, fire sign. Be bold and make the first move. Wow. Look at the bigger picture. Sagittarius, full moon in Sagittarius. Wow, wow, it's your cup. So let's see. Be bold and make the first move. So if you are hesitating to take any first move in your career wise or in your relationship wise, please be bold and make first move. You will get success and you will get positive response from that. Okay, be bold and make the first move. Yeah, and look at the bigger picture. Definitely there is something big is coming in your way, in financial, in career wise and in relationship wise. Something very big is coming in your way. These are very positive cards. So yeah, very positive message for you Sagittarius. So let's see from tarot. So your special messages Sagittarius, your present situation, past, outcome and advice. Let's see your messages Sagittarius. Wow, wow, just you are not seeing this card, huh? Okay, okay, what an beautiful reading Sagittarius. So let me explain. So your present, the world, your situation is the world card, that is you are going to ending something and you started something new in your life. I think some cycles are going to be ending. I think in your between in relationship you and your person, for some there will be some new cycles are going to be begin, but what I'm seeing here, there is some ending because in past this is five of cups is here. Definitely maybe you are in separation with your person. Yeah, you are feeling very sad, but the challenge here is king of wands. Yeah, you have to stand by your power even though if you are in separation. Yeah, the challenge is king of wands, it's you Sagittarius. Definitely you have to come out of this energy. This is the challenge for you and you will. Yes, because the recent past, this is past and this is recent past. Definitely you overcome that pain and you stand by your power. Now you are like this. Wow, wow, very beautiful transformation and very beautiful reading it is. So definitely you stand by your power. Now you overcome all the pain in career wise or in relationship wise. Yeah, the challenge is here and you are definitely overcoming all the struggles which are going through in your life right now, and now you stand by your power. Wow. And the outcome here is ace of wands. Yeah, you started something new and you want to started something new in your life because ace of wands is here. Yes, and you are thinking about starting something new in career wise, like some new business, something whatever. You started something new and you will get success there because ace of wands. Definitely you are very passionate about what you want to do in near future. Yes, there is a lot of new beginnings what I'm seeing here. For some in relationships also, some new person entering in your life, there are some, they are very passionate about you. Okay, so path to the future is nine of cups. Your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, so what do you want to do? Definitely they, your wishes and are going to be granted. Every wish in 2021 is going to be granted because see how positive the reading is. because you are suffering definitely 5 of cups in recent past, but you overcome that pain. Then you again thinking about yourself, you want to invest energy on yourself, and you started something new, and yeah, you achieve this balance in your life. King of Wands, now you stand by your power and you are very attractive. Okay, and definitely you started something new in your life and you want to. If not, definitely in 2021 you started something new in career wise, and in relationship wise also something is coming in your way, someone, and they're very passionate about, and your wishes are going to be granted. Wow, very very positive reading for you, Sagittarius. So the person involved in this connection could be water sign, lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Leo, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, you may be involved with other person, Sagittarius. So let's see more about you, Sagittarius. Very beautiful reading. See, it's you, more about you. Yeah, you stand by your power. 2 times the strength card. Wow, you are super stable, and yeah, you are very very confident right now, and you are achieving your goals in near future if you want, definitely, because this is your time, Sagittarius. Because 2 times the strength card and 9 of cups. Wow, when this is very good message for you. Wow. See more about the situation. Definitely Knight of Pentacles, someone is approaching you. Yeah, they want to come back to you. If you're in separation, now your person realizing your worth, and this time they may be serious. So something happened between both of you, between you and your person, and the separation had happened between both of you. But what I'm seeing here, yeah, now they are realizing your worth. The reason between both of the reason for separation between both of you could be you are very involved in this connection, you are very committed in this connection, but your person not. Yeah, they are not realize that, they not realize your worth after the separation. Now they're realizing your worth, they're ready to come back to you, but in very slow moving energy, but it is very stable offer. Okay, more about the situation. So definitely it is your past person coming back to you, what I am seeing here, because in recent past definitely there is separation between both of you guys. Yeah, if you are not in separation, definitely this person want to take your relationship next level. For some it could be a new person also. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. See, hopes and fears. Definitely this card is about hopes and fears. Yeah, you are suffering in silence, you are missing your person a lot, and they are also missing you too. Yeah, because you are thinking about your person, that they will come back or not, they will come back or not, that type of fear you have in your mind. Please leave that fear, because they are coming back. Okay, yeah, because it's Knight of Pentacles energy, this time they are very sincere also. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability and commitment. And 5 of Pentacles, and you are thinking about money. You are thinking about some money loss. Okay, you are 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, you are thinking about a lot about financial issues, what I'm seeing here. Sagittarius, very very positive reading. Three of Swords. I want clarification card for the Star. Yeah, final outcome. So yeah, Queen of Cups under the deck. Definitely you are heartbroken right now, but the Star, I think you're still hoping for this connection, you still having hopes for this connection, but I think you are very committed, but your person is not, but they are coming back. So I want, so definitely the Star, I think you are still hoping for this connection, you are in this position. Okay, but Please don't, because they are coming back. You overcome this pain and the strength is here. And I want another clarification because this is the final outcome card. That's why I another clarification. Yeah. Maybe your person is sneaky. They're playing games with you. Yeah, but things are turning in your favor. You overcome all this pain and you become like this Leo, the strength card. Okay, please concentrate on your career, concentrate on your financial, whatever. Definitely. But for some it could be a new person coming in your life. Knight of Pentacles. Not your past person. If your past person coming back to you, are you feeling like this? For some only. There is some sneaky energy also. Be careful if you know already about that person. But Wheel of Fortune, the star, definitely things are turning in your favor. You will get success, you will get recognition. Okay, in 2021 definitely will get recognition. So the ending message is, please don't be emotional, please don't depend on anyone, what I am seeing here, because you are very powerful person. You stand by your power. Definitely you, because you want to love yourself, you want to invest energy on yourself. When you invest energy on yourself, definitely it will be okay. When any person is be with you or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so be confident, so be brave, what I'm saying here. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.